Hello guys, I'm Lokesh Sai. In this video, we are going to make a small game known as Shoot the Fruit. So first let me tell you how to install Python app. So for this project, we need a Python app and a PyCharm edition. So we'll not be using PyCharm mostly, but in our future coming videos, we'll be using the PyCharm. So let's go to the Google Chrome and search download Python for Windows. So after searching, there will be a Python org. Then you have to click on downloads. So after clicking on this downloads button, a Windows a screen will be appearing like this. So after first you have to click on this. Then second you have to click on this button. So after doing these steps, you have to just install the PyCharm. So for installing the PyCharm, we need to go to Windows. So let me just delete this. So then we have to search here PyCharm installer. PyCharm download. So you have to go to jetbrains.com. I'll give you all the links in the description below and the code too for which we are working. So this is the professional. For this you have to pay the money, and in the community you can get here for free. It's a free open source, but here you get to pay the money. So you have to just download the community section from the community section here, which it is free. So I'll give you the link in the description too. So after doing this, we need to open our, I'll just show you a quick demo, like how it looks. So let me go to my Python games folder, files, and then let me just delete this one. Yeah. So edit the title. For opening this page, just need to click edit the title. So after doing this, click on run module. So after clicking here, to take a few minutes, and then a window command might appear here. So here the apple is not visible now. We'll just try it again so that the apple comes visible. Yeah, now the apple is visible. So if I click here, good shots visible. Good shot. So if I click here, will come you missed, and then will exit your game as it's showing, and you have to click on cancel. So after clicking on cancel, that's it, the game quits. So you can run your program again. I'll give the program in the description too. So let's start writing the code. So for writing this code, I'll just share my screen. Yeah, I think you can see my screen. You need to go to where you downloaded and saved all your Python and PyCharm editions. So click on Python. So before that, I needed you to do one thing. Go to the command prompt and click on, go to the command prompt and write pip install pg0. Just a minute. Yeah, pg0. So it may take a few minutes. It's like initializing everything. As I've already installed, to come like it's warning you're using a pip version. So already it's available for me. So again you have to do pip install pygame. So I've already installed the pygame too. You can do like this and then do your coding process. So let's go to the coding process. For the coding process, as we have already opened the idle, you have to click on file, then new file, save as, go to the fruit, save files. You have to keep like there should be an images folder here. So after doing like this, you have to write script.py. So after saving this, let's write the code now. So for writing the code, just let me just share the screen. So here is the coding part. So for the coding part, I'll just first you need to write import pgzrun. Yeah. Import pgzrun. After writing this, you have to write from random import randint. After writing this, write def.draw, not def.draw, but write def space draw. And then open bracket, close bracket, and then write screen.clear, write apple.draw, then write def place underscore apple, and write apple.x is equal to randint 10, 800, 10, 800. So for the 800, let's just leave some space and write apple.y and randint 10, 600. And write def on mouse, def on apple.collidepoint, write pause, then write print good shot. You have to write a double column before that. Right, good shot. Right. After that, you have to write place underscore apple. Then you have to write. Before that, you have to involve an actor here named apple actor. Apple. Then after that, you have to write else print not here but quit, as it quitted earlier. Should also quit here. Then write place underscore apple pgzrun.go. So this was the whole code. Let's just save it. Yeah. After saving, let's just test it. So yeah, appearing takes a bit of time. So yeah, it has already appeared. It's taking some time. So as you can see, it has appeared, and when I click on here, blank area, it is showing you missed, and it is quitting. Yeah, so we successfully completed our project. So this was the main project. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.